In this video, you're going to get a simple follow-along workout to help you get a muscle up, especially if you can't do it already. You'll see what I mean. I'll explain the workout as we go through it. Your job is just to follow along and push yourself, okay? The first thing that we're going to do is a false grip hold to warm up our wrist. So we're going to start off the workout with a simple false grip hold to warm up our forearms. The way that you do the false grip is by grabbing the rings and then curling your hand around it so the ring rests on your ulnar side, which is going to be the side opposite of your thumb. You want the ring to wrap from your thumb down to that far side bone. And then you can do this by choking up on the wrist. Your wrist should be bent at 90 degrees. And we're going to do a dead hang with a false grip for 20 seconds. We're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, keep pushing it, 9, 8, 7, keep the false grip, 6, 5, 4, 3, forearms are cramping, 2, 1. There we go. So that right there is the grip challenge to help warm up your wrists. Go ahead and open and close your hands a few times. That is a whole grip burner right there. We're resting right now. We're going to do a ring turnout support next. These are prerequisite moves that you should be able to do before we start training the muscle up specifically. I'm also assuming that at this point you can also already do a pull-up and dips. You should be able to do 5 to 8 of those before you start training this. So the next move is going to be a ring turnout support hold. So we're going to jump up and we're going to keep the arms locked out and try to turn the rings out like this. That's going to strengthen the arms and our support muscles so we're stable on the rings when we're pushing up and hurt ourselves. Again, we're going to go for 20 seconds. We're going to get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20-second hold. Jump up to the top, squeeze the rings in. Arms stay locked out straight, rings turning forward. Doing great. We're already 10 seconds in, halfway done. 10, 9, 8, push the rings down. 7, 6, 5, squeeze them in. 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. There you go. So that was our warm-up. That strengthens the forearm muscles and the shoulder support muscles. So we have the strength that we need to stay safe when we're pushing. The next is going to be a high pull-up where we're going to pull our chin above the bar, way above the bar, and try to get our hands to touch our chest each and every time. And then a low dip after that where we get our hands to touch our chest each and every time. Your hands should be touching the same spot on both of those. You'll see what I mean when you get to them. But the key thing here is range of motion. That's what matters. It doesn't matter how you kip up, or that you are really focusing on the contraction, holding it. No. I want the full range of motion because that is how you get there. So if you have to pull up or kip a little bit to get that top range of motion and then control it down, that's fine. We're going to go for our high pull-ups in 3, 2, get below the rings. 1, we're going to pull up to our chest. 1, 2, 3, pull up, touch the chest. 3, 2, 1, touch your chest. 3, 2, 1, 3, we're doing 6, pull up, touch your chest. 3, 2, 1, pull up, touch your chest. 3, 2, 1, last one, pull up, touch your chest. 3, 2, 1, lower down. Go ahead and rest. So that right there is strengthening the pulling muscles that you need. Your hands should be touching right around your nipple each and every time. You can keep your hands in. We'll go over the transition after the low dips, which are next. For the low dips, we're going to be lowering, and we're going to lower until our hands touch our chest again. It will place a lot of stress on the shoulder. So if you have ever dislocated your shoulder, or you have any shoulder impingement, or any shoulder pain, or elbow pain, this is not for you. This is not the move. It is an extreme range of motion. Focus on healing your shoulder first, getting that rehabilitated before you tackle this, because this is hard. All right. We have 15 seconds before we get going. I'll demonstrate the dips really quick. So up, I lower down, my hands touch my chest, I push back up. We're doing 6 of those. We're going to go in 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, we're doing 6, 2, 1, jump up, lower down, 3, 2, 1, push up, lower down, 3, 2, 1, up, 3, 2, 1. Touch your hands to your chest each time. 3, 2, 1. Hands to the chest each time. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up and then down. There we go. That was 6 reps. So those were high pull-ups and low dips. We're going to do that one more time around, but in the meantime, what we're going to do is start practicing for the full muscle up. So I want you to raise your arms up over your head right now. Get that false grip that we did at the beginning where you curl your wrists in so that we're actually, the ring is going across, we're hanging from the bottom. We're going to do that high pull-up so our hands touch our chest. We're going to throw our shoulders forward so our shoulders are in front of our hands and we're ready to push down and do that dip. The transition is pushing your shoulders forward. It's going to be pushing your shoulders forward and keeping your hands so they touch your chest the entire time. That's how you do a muscle up. A lot of people will try to throw themselves around the bar. That's really hard. Instead, you want to keep your hands as close to your body as possible because you're stronger here than you are out here. So let's do this one more time. We're hanging from the false grip. We pull down, hands touch the chest. Keep the hands on the chest as you push the shoulders forward. Push the elbows up. We're in the low dip now. And then we do the dip. Then we reverse it. Hands to the chest, elbows up. Roll the shoulders back. Keep the hands touching the chest the entire time. And then lower down for the pull-up. Okay, let's go ahead, do the second round of this. High pull-ups, low dips. We're gonna do the pull-ups in 5, 4, 6 reps. Pull up to the chest each time. 3, 2, 1. Touch your chest, down. Up, touch your chest, down. Touch your chest, try to touch your nipples with your hands. Down, up, down. If you want to make it harder, do it with a false grip. Up, down. 2 more. Touch your chest. Down. Pull up. Touch your chest. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Now, we've got a minute rest. Then we're going to do our low dips. Breathe in. Calm the body down. During the breaks, you can massage yourself. Shake out the wrists. You will probably get burns on the back of your forearms from the straps. It's just part of the game. It's unfortunate. You can buy forearm wraps or tape your forearms with pre-wrap first beforehand so you don't rip all your arm hair out. But that will help if your forearms are rubbing, especially on these dips. And working out feels so good. This is moving you towards your goal, getting you closer to what you want to be, getting you the body that you want, and you're having fun along the way because you're pushing yourself and you're working towards this amazing movement pattern. Breathe in and out. We're gonna do those low dips next. 6 reps. We're gonna go in 5 seconds. 6 reps. 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 low dips. Down, hands to the chest. Up, 1. Down, hands to the chest. 2. Down, hands to the chest. 3. Down, hands to the chest. 4. Down, keep the feet in front if you want to make it harder. Hands to the chest. 5. Down, hands to the chest. 6. There you go. Keeping that feet in front is how we're going to go through the muscle up. Nice job though, nice job. So we're going to do one more set. This is going to be negative muscle ups. We're going to roll through it. So we're going to get to the top of the dip, jump up there, and then we're going to lower down, hands to the chest, and we're going to try to control our shoulders moving back, keeping the hands by the chest the entire time, and then lower down. So let's practice this with me. Hands down by the hips. We're imagining we're up in a dip, lower down, so your hands touch your chest, elbows should be up high. Then keep your hands by your chest as you push your shoulders back. Control that as you bring the elbows down, and then lower, keeping the false grip. So one more time, and we'll do our full set, okay? I'll demonstrate it right after this. Lower down, top of the dip, hands by the chest, and then lower through the pull-up. So when we do the full reps, it's gonna look like this. We have this dip support, lower down, hands are by the chest. I control myself, and then lower myself down and through to the bottom. We're gonna do that 6 times, okay? Get ready to go. We're gonna go in 7 seconds. Jump up to the top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6 reps, eccentric muscle up lowers. Down. Roll the shoulders back, control it. Lower yourself through. You're gonna try to control it as slow as possible. Jump up, lower down to the chest. Roll the shoulders through, down. That's 2, we're doing 6. Up, down. Roll the elbows back. Lower yourself down through the pull-up. That's 3, 3 more, we're halfway done. Up, down. Roll the shoulders back, lower. Come on, 2 more. Up, down, roll back, lower. That's 3. I'm sorry, we have one more. That was 5. Lower, roll back, lower. That was 6. That right there is the full muscle up workout. That's a simple workout to help you get towards the muscle up. You can plug this in like a Lego block wherever you want to in your set. Go ahead and shake your arms out. Bring the breath down. Deep breaths. Go ahead, stretch the forearms out. Every single muscle in your upper body's work there. Especially your forearms during that false grip. Your biceps, massage those. Massage your shoulders. Because you have to assist on that dip. Your chest, some of the dip as well. Back of your triceps, that's the dip. Rotator cuff and even traps. Everything works. It's a total upper body workout with one move. How cool is that? If you guys like this workout, go ahead and click subscribe. And if you want these workouts delivered to your email inbox daily so you get notified of them, sign up at waterstonefitness.com. I'm Jake, and as always, thanks for getting better.